Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech by Sambo. So this video is about how to host backend in free in different services like Render, Railway, Fly.io, to how we can host our backend in free. So let's start this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how I host my e-commerce website backend, which is code is displayed on the screen. So you can see here that is an e-commerce website, and this is my backend folder, and this is package.json file which has opened. So first of all, we have to check that in our package.json what are the scripts we have sets. Like for start, I have saved node server.js, and for development node server.js. Then we have to come to our server.js file. So you can see here that the most important thing in this file is about the cores. What are the cores we have set, because it depends that how our front end will call the backend. What are the cores we have set for this? So like for origin, I have set localhost 3000, and set also a 127.0.0.1 3000. Credentials are true, and methods I have defined get, post, put. Okay, so after that, if we have to deploy it, we have to create a deploy it on GitHub. So first of all, we have to create a git ignore file. So we will create it, and once you have created the git ignore file, just have to paste this file's names, because these are the files which will ignore by GitHub, because these are the some of the files have much more memory, and some files have very important data which we cannot deploy on the GitHub, or we can deploy on any sites. You just have to paste it and control as saving. And once you done this, like you can see here, there are files like upload, temp, tmp, logs. These are multiple mb files, and ds stores, vs code, id files. This will take only space. These are not important to deploy, so we will just make it sure that this file is in git ignore, and once you will done this, we have to just control s and done. Okay, once we have done, you can see that this will be a full structure. Now we will come to our GitHub and new GitHub repository page. I will create a repository name ecom backend. Okay, so write it. Okay, first it will check the availability. Once we click on the create repository, it will take some seconds, and it will generate a new repository. And here is the URL and command line codes. We just have to copy from here and come to our VS Code. So we have to move to our backend folder. Right now I'm in my root folder, so we go there and paste this command and run it. Okay, so it is saying that working remote origin is clear. Okay, yeah, but it's saying that permission is enabled. Okay, so friends, I have two GitHub IDs, like and I am now currently I'm deploying from the another ID, so we just have to rebase. Okay, so for this we will just write a command git remove remote origin, and it will remove the old or the previous origin, whatever I have set. Then again we have to post the same command. Okay, oh sorry, I have entered the wrong command. Okay, come to a new cmd. Okay, and just have to add this command line commands. Okay, it is saying nothing to commit, work clean, because we have already done it once, and it will take some time, and once it does, it will show the result. Okay, so yeah, our data has pushed to the GitHub. Okay, if this is showing on your screen, come to the GitHub repo page and just refresh once. Once you refresh, you can see all the files are there in your GitHub repository page, all the config, middleware, models, roots, utils, all the things. Okay, let's come to VS Code. So yeah, our GitHub deployment has done completely. Now we have to deploy this on the Render with the help of GitHub. So for this, we have to go to our Render. Render is a very good site where we can deploy our backend in free. So this is our Render web dashboard. You can see here, there you can multiple deployments on Render. It is free and is a very good service. So for this, we have to create a new project. Okay, so I have created a new project. Just go to the new and select the web service. Why we choose web service? Because this is a backend server, not a static website. You have to come here, you have to add your GitHub, and I have already added. So all the GitHub repositories are showing here, like ecom backend. So we just have to click on the ecom backend, and it will generate our new web service. It will take some times and then it will be generated. We just have to add the name. What the name? I will make it very simple. Default name, whatever come, I just said that. Okay, reason you don't need to change if you don't want. Okay, and you have to there is a very important thing that you have to select the what type of instance you want. I have selected the free, in which I get 512 MB RAM and 0.1 CPU, and I have choose this because right now I'm just telling you for testing. If you want to any feature, if you want to scale, you can choose other plans. Okay, so build command will be npm install, because it will install on the npm modules, and after the installment our build will success. The start command will set as default node server.js. Okay, this is an important section in this which we have to add our environment variables. So let's go to VS Code. Okay, and open .env file we have to open. So scroll down. Okay, so there I have added the confidential, because this file are confidential, we cannot deploy anywhere. So okay, we just have to copy from here and paste in the render, like port, JWT secret and all. Okay, I have done all this, and after adding all this, we just have to click on the deploy web service. Once we click, it will start deploying. It will take some time for building. It may be some if you have code has some error, it will not in first update. Okay, it will take a second update, but it is now currently deployed. Okay, so once it deployed, we just have to check that server is running on port 5000 and MongoDB connected. All the things are good. We just have to come to our URL, and once the URL is there, like ecom backend URL, we just click on this, and it will take some time in browser to run it. We have to wait. Okay, yeah, it is successful. Message route not found. Okay, why this is showing back? Because I don't have created any route for a slash. But yeah, our backend is successfully hosted because it is open in Chrome browser. There is no error. It is in deploy log. We can see that our backend is successfully hosted. Okay, and we can check it via very much like API testings. We have created so much APIs in our code, like for products, for users, and all the APIs. So for this testing, we have to come to VS Code and come to like this is our front end folder. Close it and come to the Thunder client. Okay, we will use Thunder client here for our API testing. Okay, so it will take some time to open. Okay, once it open, we just have to click on the new request. Okay, and in new request we have to paste our URL. We have to just paste the URL. Okay, Windows plus V, and paste our URL, and in the URL at the end we have to add the API/products. Okay, and we have to make sure the method will be post. Okay, and send the request. Once we will do this, we will get our successful. Okay, it is showing 404 not found. Okay, the problem is that I have added product here. If you have missed spelling the API, it will not done the process. Okay, so do it again, and our API is API/products, not API/product. We have to check the method again. It will be get. Okay, method should be get, because we want to know that what are the items are there, not post. Okay, it is saying 2200. Okay, 99 bytes times 1.98 seconds. Success is true. Okay, right now I don't have any added product, so it is that's the reason it is not showing here. So yeah, our backend is successfully hosted. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and like my video, and comment on which part you want next video. Okay, thank you so much.